Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, emus and antelopes and other woodland friends, hello. It's been about 3 weeks since last time I went out of camp. Longest I've been away. I've missed it, but work and family duties take over. But it's been whipped right in the thigh by a branch. Owie. Yeah, as I was saying, about 3 weeks since I last got down. I'm going to concentrate on making a roof frame and get a fire and go and make some dinner a bit later. It's coming up to about 11:30 now, Thursday. Hope you're all well. I'll bring back very soon. And here we are, back at camp. Everything's exactly the same as I left it. I don't think anyone's been down. Everything's looking good. I thought there might be a few more leaves on top of the log cabin, you know, it being autumn and all leaves dropping and everything, or close to winter, but no worries, I can throw some up there. But plan of action for today, log cabin. Can hopefully get some more roofing struts on either side. Hopefully get that finished off, but we'll see how we get on. I'll be down for a few hours. There's no Paul, it's just me today. So I think first things first, let's get a fire up going. So, after plenty of faffing about, I've got a fire going, I've got a brew, and it's still proving hard to go. I mean, look at all that smoke. It's so wet and sodden down here, but if I keep on top of it, we should be alright. I said nothing's been down here, or no one's been down here. Looks like someone's been digging a hole there. Probably some sort of animal. So, I'm going to have this brew, carry on feeding it fire, make sure that don't go out for a bit. I'm going to crack on with this roof. So as you've just seen me do, put these 2 bars on here, these 2 rafters along the back. Now we need another, I'd say another 4 on either side. 4 struts coming down either side, this side and that. And that should be the frame of the roof done. Just having a cup of tea. It's raining a bit. I said bit, it's absolutely pouring down. Oh. The fire seems to be struggling again. Everything's got absolutely sodden. Even all the dry bits I was using this morning have got wet now. So I've chopped some wood up, hopefully it'll take on the inside. Right, all these are nailed onto this bar along the bottom. Same on the other side, all nailed on there. And that's just a case of securing it all at the top here and then cutting them down. So as you can see, I've just taken the tops of them branches off. I'm going to bevel them. I won't do it today, but I'm going to bevel them so once the tarp goes over the top it won't rip it. Obviously there's the 2 end ones to do as well, but I think I'm going to call it a day. Right, this is me heading out. Good productive day that. Almost finished the roof frame. About another 6 lengths. That'll run lengthways down the shelter and that'll finish it all off. then we can start on the tarps and the chicken wire. But I won't be getting chicken wire till the new year. Yeah, quite impressed with that. So thank you very much to my new subscribers. I've shot up quite a few this last few weeks. Much appreciated, everybody, really appreciated. Thank you, everyone. Hope to see you all again very soon. Should be out next week. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.